a workshop on writing literary thrillers on how to write a page turner. Is a part of Wales in Kolkata, a season of Welsh arts activity and collaboration taking place in Kolkata. Our guest for today is Mr. Gary Raymond, a novelist, critic, editor and broadcaster. And our executive director, Ms. Pragya Chopra, to felicitate our guest for today. Mr. Gary Raymond is a novelist, critic, editor and broadcaster.
It's lovely to be invited. It's an honour to be in one of my favourite cities in the world, in Calcutta. I've been here a few times before. This is my first time to the iLEAD Institute. So I'm going to talk a little bit about writing from experience, how you turn your experiences as you go through life into fiction, and if that's possible, and how you may be able to find your own ways of doing that. How I became a writer of what is known as literary thrillers. I am going to write a huge novel.
I think it was an absolutely amazing session because you don't really get to have a lot of literary sessions here.
It's always great to have a fresh perspective and some professional tell us how it's done.
Thank you very much.